Handbags and SLG review. Today I have mini haul from my purchase for the Black Friday, and some of it are exchange of some of the things from Senreve that I had some scratches on the Senreve wave card case. So therefore I asked them if I can return, because I accidentally when I took it out from the hand, scratch it with my fingernail bit, and actually the scratch is there. I thought it is a scratch resistant, but then when I contacted them, then they kindly able to exchange for me for a new one. At first they asked me to actually bring it to the leather surgeon, but therefore when I asked them further, then they said that if it is not a hassle for me to send it back to them, then they can exchange it for me, and kindly bear the shipping for the exchange that I have. They send me the consignment note and everything, and able to actually send me a new one. I actually courier back the old one to them. Today I have some mini haul from the Black Friday sale that I had purchased, and of course as I mentioned, the smaller one is the Senreve wave card case, which they exchanged for me after I made the video from there. Then of course this video is not sponsored, but what I mean is let's start into unboxing this that I have. I start with the smallest one. I will show you the smallest one. Hang on, let me put this aside and show you the smallest one. Just hang on quickly. Let me get a cutter here. Okay, this is I'm so glad that they're able to change it for me. They actually they really stand by their belief that they say that it is the warranty and all these sort of things. So there you see. Okay, this is the one that they actually send me. So mine is also the same. Look at that. Okay, yeah, and mine is also the same. This is the new one that they sent me. So it's the same color that I had earlier. I mean, there's some scratches here. This is scratch resistant, but of course then the scratch is quite pronounced. So therefore I told them that I would like to return it, and they actually kindly agreed that they will take back my old one and actually exchange for a new one for me. So this is the Senreve that they exchanged for me. So okay, let me put this aside. And I got this actually during the Friday sales for this, and I got a promo code for this for a 50 Aria belt bag. The normal price is 445 USD. So I got it for $50 discount, and therefore I paid USD for $395, and with some free masks, and of course plus delivery and all these things. Let me unbox this and show them. I have not, this is a real unboxing because I just received it this morning actually. So let me unbox this. Okay, this is my receipt. This is the receipt, I believe. Thank you note card, which is very nice. So yeah, a thank you note card, and from Senreve team, which is very nice. So okay, this is the thing. Let me put this aside. Okay, this first. So okay, this is the okay. I believe this is the, perhaps this is the belt. I mean, sorry, yeah, this is, oh sorry, yeah, this is the mask, the free mask that I had actually during the Black Friday sale. And this is the, let me check what is this. This is, sorry, this is also my first time that I'm looking at this. So oh, this is the mask, for the mask, yeah, this is the mask for the mask thing that they had free, and this is the holder for the mask. Yeah, this is the holder thing for the mask. And Okay, let me put it aside. And okay, this is the bag. This is the bag. This is the bag. Ariel belt bag. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so nice. Okay, this is the leather. They do not come with a chain, but I do have my own chain which I purchased. I mean, not from Senreve. I had some. I had a other chain. So okay, you can see this is the one that this is the Ariel belt bag, which is quite nice. So this is in pebble leather, and this is chestnut. The color is chestnut, and this is the belt. Sorry, this is the belt. This is the belt, and it is adjustable. Actually, it's quite long, but it is adjustable, so you can actually, of course, you can put the belt actually, of course, at the back here. This is the belt bag, or either you can actually put the belt here, or the chain here as well. So, but I do have a chain. Actually, the chain that comes with it. I think now when they can choose a gift, there is a chain actually, but I do have my own chain for this, so therefore I don't really need to buy a chain or get a chain from them. So this is nice. You can detach it and become like a clutch. This one. Okay, this is one of it. This is the Senreve thing that I have. But this aside. Okay, I have another box here. You can see this box. I have this box, another box here. This one. Okay, I bought this from Selfridges. I mean, that time I saw a discount as well. This is I got this during not exactly on Friday of the Black Friday sales. I got it before, like 1 or 2 days before this. So when I know that they have discount, I quickly actually snap it actually, because it's not easy to get discount for this as well, because later they have some discount, but then again it's not on this item. I don't really see that this item. Let me put this aside first. So I don't see this item. Then that time during I don't see this item on sale actually. Let me open up this one and show you what is this. Just hang on. Sorry. Open this way. Oh yeah, okay. This is the real unboxing. I just got this morning actually. So this is from Selfridges. This is from Selfridges. So get that. Guys, guess what is this? What is this, guys? Okay. So beautiful. It's very well wrapped, all the papers. Look at that. Saint Laurent. Okay. Look at that. This is the dust bag. it's so nice. This is the Uptown clutch from Saint Laurent, and I got this for a discount. Okay, in store, I have checked this in store. This cost in store without the discount. Actually, this cost at about this cost about $514 in store here, but I got this for a discount at $490 plus delivery plus tax. In store I have checked and they are $514, no discount at all. And these selfridges have discount at time. I could please snap it for $490.35 plus delivery plus tax. So actually I heard that Saint Laurent have increased some price, but I'm not sure how much that it is. But when I saw this on discount, so I quickly snap it. So this is a Uptown clutch. So, and of course this is in this like a pebble leather, and it's so nice. So yeah, this is actually an evening bag, I would say. Yeah, this is actually an evening bag. This, of course, it's just a black hole here and all these things, but it is a very substantial evening bag if you would like to just carry it like that. And it can actually fit quite a lot, in the sense that, of course, handphone, tissue, and some one lippy or two lippy and all these things. So I will try actually what fits in. Of course, the handphone you can fit in, the lippy and all these things. It is very, very nice. So I actually waited for this sales for quite a while. So I wanted to get it in store, but when I look at the price, of course, I wait for Black Friday instead. So, but actually, during Black Friday, not many stores have this on sale. Actually, Farfetch, I've checked Farfetch and others as well, My Choice and all these things, they do not have sales on this. So is this sales for this Uptown clutch or even the neutral color hardly come by actually. So what I understand that they have sales. I know that YSL do have their own sales, as I was told by one of the YouTuber, but then it's not it is only in certain countries. Unfortunately, where I live here, they don't have actually, unless I go to the store and ask them, which I did not go, because since I already got this at the discount and I already made an order and all these things. So I didn't, during the Black Friday, I didn't go to the store and ask them actually. So this is one of it that I love it so much. Actually, yeah, and this is the very classic color, and I see myself can use this many years to come. So this is very iconic of YSL, and so, and of course as for any dinner, bring this, if I just want to bring the minimum, so any formal dinner and all these things, I can actually use this. So I'm so happy with this purchase actually. Yeah, so this is the YSL Uptown clutch. So yeah, and I heard a lot of review on this, very good review on this, of course, with so much of leather and with the price and all these things. So this is my mini haul for the Black Friday sales. This is one of it, and plus of course my Ariel belt bag, and Ariel belt bag is one of it, and of course the other one is a return item. Sorry. The other one, this one is a return item, and so I'm very glad with my purchase. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is an impromptu video. So happened that I received all the items today in from the delivery guy. So therefore I must well make a mini unboxing. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you again. Bye.